one client that came to me through writing original articles. I've made probably about $100,000 out of them in 1 year. I'm a business owner. I own a recruitment firm called Ramp Up Talent. I've been running that for the last 4 years. Been doing recruitment overall for 12 years. I realised how important it was to move away from, I guess, that traditional type of marketing. Yeah, sure, I was on LinkedIn and I was connecting with people, but I wasn't writing articles. I wasn't, I guess, sharing original information. I was sharing other people's articles. After I started writing my own articles, I had clients contacting me saying, you actually know what you're talking about. You know our industry, you know our business. We love what you're doing. So I started actually getting clients out of it. People would come to me. So it turned things around for me. One client that came to me through writing original articles, I've made probably about $100,000 out of them in 1 year, putting a small investment in, and what I've got just from one client, that return's huge. But one thing I love as well is that I absolutely hated doing cold calls, but I've now found a way to avoid doing that. And by writing, which I actually enjoy, I now attract clients that way. So it's made my life a lot easier and made my business more successful. Been doing underwater photography, people, again, getting in touch with me. It's a passion project and it's great fun, as well as making a little bit of extra cash on the side.